In Bhutan's rugged forested terrain, a group of trekkers finds themselves cut off by an unexpected monsoon flood. To survive, they quickly construct a shelter, using fallen logs and dense foliage against the relentless rain. For water, they ingeniously collect rainwater in makeshift bamboo containers, ensuring a fresh supply. As days pass, the group turns to the forest bounty, foraging for wild mushrooms and edible roots guided by local foraging knowledge. To maintain spirits, they gather each evening to share stories of ancient Bhutanese legends, instilling hope and camaraderie. This tale of resilience and ingenuity offers valuable survival insights, highlighting the use of natural resources and the power of communal support in overcoming nature's trials.